I come in these woods quite often. Y'all see several videos of me with Mr. Gray, Mr. Mark, or just walking in nature, the creek, whatever. But today on my walk, I found this. I don't know what kind of trap this is. I've never seen anything quite like that. I guess it would be some sort of humane trap instead of claws. I have found a different type of trap before, but I've been in this area. I mean, you see the path here. If you know what kind of trap this is, please leave a comment and let me know.